Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. If you couldn't tell by the title, whatever I titled it, today we are going to do a little road trip on the trusty CRF250L. We've got a little dry pack on here to test out this little like $40 Amazon dry pack. We've obviously got our Nelson rig tank bag, but we're going to hit the highway. Got about an hour and a half ride in traffic, so let's get right into it. See if she can wheelie with the bag on. She can wheelie with the bag on. First step here is obviously getting gas. Ooh, overflowed. Woo! Alright guys, we're about to get on the highway and there is so much traffic in here. Even in the tunnel there's so much traffic. Oh yeah, I'm also recording in 2.7K by 60 frames, so let me know what you guys think. It's going to take up a more space, but if it looks better I'll do it, so just let me know. Beautiful day. It's like 65. Sun feels warm now. I think it's gonna get a little bit warmer, then it'll get colder, so my ride home will definitely be a bit cooler. Here we go. Oh yeah, and it's gonna be busy as go time. Sorry guys, I've got a doctor's appointment to go to. It's not like I'm slowing any of them down anyways, so they shouldn't be upset. For those interested, the bag is an OSAH dry pack. It was $40 on Amazon. I used it for my other road trip video when I had an R3 still, and it's worked pretty well for me. I like it. And I just, strapped it onto the CRF to see if it would work, and it in fact does. So here we are. It's funny, in between these lanes, that was a little sketchier. It's so bumpy. All right, people, this is 6th gear, going about 73. This is 1342 gearing too. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, this is what's good with traffic sometimes, guys. Like on a bike like this, like I know traffic sucks, but like it honestly makes it so much more manageable when you're on a smaller CC bike. Like once I get on the turnpike, everyone is gonna be doing 90, and I'll be fine, but like it's just a lot less fun. I thought I left early enough to miss traffic. Oh my god, I think I lost my plate. I think it fell off. No! My plate totally fell off. It's funny, who would have thought that the CRF250L would be the fastest bike on the highway? Suckers!
A few minutes later.
Fish. Yeah guys, if you're curious, I've been staying in 6th gear this whole time. Haven't had to shift down to 5th or anything like that. Just been chilling in 6th. Oh, thank God. It's a little chilly. The ride home is gonna feel nice and chilly too. We are not doing that again. That is for certain. My God, that was terrible. Man, I'll tell you what, I talked a big game. I'm like, the CRF can do it, it can do it. I must have had perfect highway conditions, because that sucked. That was like sketchy, kind of chilly. I mean, chilly doesn't really matter, but like sketchy, long, squirrely as I'm doing more adventure than you, Beamer guy. Gonna be late to our appointment, but it's all good. See, this is where I feel fast, on these roads. I do miss these kind of roads, just like around where I grew up. Being in the city, you don't get like these long, winding country roads where there's not a ton of people. Like, these would be fun, well not this road specifically, but they would be fun to learn wheelies on, the roads that I am referring to. I mean, we should probably do a wheelie. We haven't done a wheelie in forever, right? We've already abused the bike enough, might as well continue it, right? And we're late for our appointment. I'll take it. I was sitting so far up too. You like it? I think he liked it. Far up because this freaking duffel bag that I'm testing is so far up on the seat. Well, not so far up, but it's farther up on the seat than I'm used to, so I'm not sitting a little further forward. So there's my excuse for my shitty wheelie. You're welcome. Does that work? I want to ride over there. I want to ride in all of this. Well guys, License plate is in fact gone. What's the verdict? I'm cold, very chilly. That finger, you know, it's exposed to the wind. I don't have a liner in this jacket, so it's pretty chilly. But yeah, it's all good. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. We're definitely not taking the turnpike home though.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, we just finished up at the eye doctor. They put those little drops in my eyes and now I can't really see that well, so that's really good to ride a motorcycle home. This is done decently well so far. It's not as full anymore. Make sure that's tight enough. But yeah, done decently well. We're gonna ride home now. Definitely not taking the turnpike. That was miserable on the way here. Oh yeah, we lost our license plate, so that sucks ass, but let's just get into it. The nice lady at the eye doctor told me it would hurt to look into the sun, and boy oh boy is she right. Holy shit. Not bad. Alright guys, just had to step off for a sec, make sure my GoPro was doing its thing correctly, which it is. This is an interesting little area. Interesting. Oh, a little pond down here. Very fun. Oh, almost dumped it. I'm sure that people don't like this. But you know what's funny? I don't have a license plate, so like, how you gonna find me? Tell you what guys, this CRF is definitely chugging this friggin' gas. With this high RPM riding for so long, it definitely is eating a lot of gas. We're down to two bars here. But I'll tell you what, if I lived around here, this bike would be so perfect for these roads. I mean, the bike is perfect in the city too, the speed I ride at. I don't usually ride at highway speed. And it would be fun around here with just all these random trails and all the random, you know, fields you can rip around in. Not terrible. Oh, I want to ride in that so bad. Can't see shit on this tail crest. Such a nice little area here. It really is. Smells like poop! Oh my gosh! These roads, they're just so nice! Gosh dang it! So freaking nice, these roads. Man, I forgot what I was missing out on. I guess I'm a right turn, right? I guess. I don't know. I think so. That was first gear, not second. Ah, a little too much rear brake. I've got my like riding boots on today, so rear brake feel is a little less sensitive, so I'm ending up pushing it a little bit harder. Holy crap guys, this is so much better than the highway. I'm telling you, if there's a way that you don't have to take the highway on the bike, I would say do it. If it makes it like a way longer trip, then maybe just tough out the highway. But like this only added about 20 minutes to the trip, and it's like way more enjoyable. I get to ride these beautiful roads. It's not like sketchy, not barely keeping up with traffic. I'm also not as cold, just like way better. Can it do it? Yes. If I only have to go like 5-10 miles on the highway, will I do that instead of take back roads? For sure. But, you know, 25 miles plus, that's a little less desirable. Freaking beautiful roads, man. Nobody's out too. We've got golden hour. This is just such a vibe. Such a vibe. Totally different feeling than how I felt about an hour or two ago. Chugging along 70 on the turnpike. Real quick. Real quickie quick. Alright. So, we found a gas station. Lucky to find one. I could really go for like a freaking energy drink right now, but it's all good. My phone is totally gonna die too. All right, this looks pretty cool. Figured I might as well come on this, right? Whew. Oh my gosh, loose end there. Sorry, just had to go on the bridge. Sorry for the little detour. Sorry. Oh, it's gonna be so funny when my phone dies and I have no clue where the f I'm going. Absolutely beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh, now I'm blind. I can't see it. All I see is dots now. God, I guess I'm not gonna lie. I think if I take 309 every time, this is completely fine. Like, totally doable. No complaints right now whatsoever. Besides being a little chilly, but that's my own dumbass fault. This is completely fine. The speed limit's 55. Still cruising it right under 70. Like, it's easy. It's our favorite spot. Our favorite spot.
So guys, as you can see, we made it back just fine. The good old CRF250L did a great job. Again, this was 1342 gearing. We took it on the turnpike. Turnpike was not nearly as fun because that speed limit is like 70, and this bike is like comfortable max at around 70 to 75. But on the way back, we took 309, which is just a slower highway, so that worked out super well. As for the bag, this was a good test for it for future road trips. I think it worked great. You can fit a good amount of stuff in there. The way I'll do it is I'll use this in combination with a backpack, probably in this tank bag. Just a quick note on how it mounts. It mounts directly to these passenger pegs, and then I have it connected to the back here, just on these little license plate holders or tail light holders. And it, cinches it down. It works pretty well. You do have an option to put additional luggage on top of this with these little straps here. So definitely recommend it. 40 bucks. I think it looks pretty good on the bike. Looks a little lopsided right now because of the angle of the bike and this side of the bag being empty, but totally recommend it. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I will catch you next time. Peace.